Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BSTG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you have, or maybe you're new to charts, I should say. Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And I bring that up because update's probably not the right word. More so confirmation would be an accurate word. And the confirmation comes in the sense of both these levels that I talked about yesterday. So I'm not here to pat myself on the back or anything. But yeah, I am going to pat charts on the back a little bit because, again, if you don't believe me that I put these lines where they were, that's fine. I'm not offended. I realize this is the internet. All you got to do, though, is go back and watch the video I posted from, August 7th, and you'll see that I have not adjusted these lines. And the first point of confirmation comes in regards to 54 cents as a level of support. I talked about that yesterday as a support, and okay, fine. Technically speaking, the price didn't quite hit it today, but I think we can all agree got well within the vicinity. And to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong there as support, and then they bounced the price back upwards. However, on the bounce, this is where the second point of confirmation comes into play, and that's up there at 62 cents, which I talked about as a level of resistance. And the price was bouncing, and then surprise, surprise, you can see right where things ran out of gas, and then the price eventually did, pull back a little bit there. So 62 cents has been confirmed that there are some sellers sitting up there, just like it has been confirmed that there are buyers sitting around down at the 54-cent mark. So as it stands right now, really the easiest way to summarize this chart is channel pattern on the 30-minute. Top of the channel resistance being at 62 cents, bottom of the channel support being at 54 cents. And from the storybook perspective, not much else to say unless something happens. Quote unquote, something happening being defined as a breakout to the upside or a breakdown to the downside. But until something happens like that, not much else to say. So at this point, we'll just see how the price reacts within the channel pattern. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.